everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to connect a microphone to a sound mixer. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this very simple Shure microphone. This is the Shure SM58 microphone. I absolutely love it. Myself and my father use this microphone all the time whenever we are singing and jamming out and playing music on the instruments behind me as I film this. And it's really easy to connect any microphone just like this one to a sound mixer just like this one. Now, microphones come in a wide variety of sort of shapes, sizes, and types, and sound mixers come in a wide variety as well. But essentially, you have the same process for connecting them. Very simple. I'm going to switch hands over here. So I'm going to take this microphone, and I'm actually just going to mount it on the mic stand over here. Yes, this is the music room in my parents' house. It is, this is like literally the room. We just have all sorts of speakers and all sorts of instruments everywhere, and we just play in here. It's not organized, it's not nice, it's very messy, but it is fun to play music in here, okay? So just so it's clear, when you see like the disaster of stuff in the old speakers, the new mixer, the jam blocks, the percussion instruments everywhere, we have lots of fun in here. It's a room designed for fun. It's not organized, it's not nice, but it's so fun. Anyways, back to the video. We have this microphone. The cord comes down and it terminates over here. As you can see, this is sort of the standard microphone connection that you're going to find. Now, essentially what we have here are three different prongs, as you can see over there. So we have three different prongs. And it only goes in one direction because you can see there's two prongs over here and then one prong up there. So, you kind of can't plug it in the wrong way. Now, if you look at the mixer, okay, you're going to have a wide variety of connections and they're going to be on different channels. Essentially, you want to choose a channel, okay? So we're going to choose a channel. I'm choosing this channel right here. This is channel number 1. I don't know if there's right here. Here's the label. So this is channel number 1, okay? And on channel number 1, there's going to be a microphone input. Now, you can use any other channel as long as there's a microphone input. But on channel number 1, there's going to be a microphone input. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cord. The cord just fell on the floor. I'm going to take this piece right here. I'm going to look at the way that the prong openings are shaped. I can see there's 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. I'm going to position it in the same way so that when I plug it in, it's going to match up. You can see right here, it's going to match up like that. Okay, and essentially you're going to plug it in like that, and you want to make sure that it's plugged in fully. You can see right here, it's plugged in fully, and that's it. That is how to connect a microphone to a sound mixer. Now, as an added bonus, once it's connected, you actually need to sort of program it properly. So, for instance, if I had this gain, I'm going to remember what level it's at because I don't, this, like I said, this is my dad's mixer. I don't want to adjust the settings. It's about 6.5. So, if I had this gain at 0, then what would happen is no sound would come out from the microphone. So make sure your volume, or your gain as we like to call it in the music industry, is turned up to the level that you want it to be so that the microphone actually comes out of the speakers. Also, you're going to have a master volume control. Make sure your master volume control is turned up, and make sure there are speakers connected to the sound mixer. Because if it's just a sound mixer, you need the sound to come out from somewhere. This takes the sound and then sends it somewhere. So we have speakers, like I said, connected to the sound mixer. So basically, with the speakers being connected to the sound mixer, the microphone sends the sound to channel number 1, and then that, with these controls and the main controls, sends the sound to the speaker. And that is how to connect a microphone to a sound mixer. It's literally that easy. That said, I plan on doing more videos on mixers and speaker systems because, as you can see, we have all sorts of instruments over here. This is just one corner. Behind me, there's a piano, there's a drum set. I'm a drummer, for those of you that don't know. I mean, I don't really do drumming on this channel, but I've been drumming my whole life. I play the piano, I play the guitar, I play the drums, I play the trumpet, I play the baritone, I play all sorts of stuff. So I plan on doing lots more musical instrument tutorials in the future. I'm learning the ukulele right now. I want to take up the saxophone in the future. So just be aware. I don't want to say be aware, but be ready, because I'm coming out with lots of musically based tutorials on instruments, on peripherals, on various instruments that I can play and how to tune them. Just be ready. It's all coming. But that's it. That is how to connect a microphone to a sound mixer. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.